Hey guys, I'm Sandstorm and welcome back to the next part of making a simple Source Filmmaker poster. Let's get into it.
The first thing we'll do is give the scout some motion. To do that, we will right click on him in the animation set editor, drag the mouse to import and select sequence. Here we will be given some choices of sequences for him. Here we go, it's taunt 5. So we will select that, and now, as you can see, he's in this fighting pose, kind of. And now, if we press the spacebar to play, he's actually moving. But it's easier to have him hold still to do that. All we need to do is make sure that he's selected. Then we will keep playing until we pause it and find a good spot, like this. So once we find that spot, we will bring the mouse to playhead, click it, and drag it all the way to the right. You will see that the lines for his bones are completely flat in the timeline now. So that means he is holding completely still, and that's what we want. Now let's give him a weapon. We will right click him again, and this time we will select Add Team Fortress Item. We will give him a bat, since that will be most fitting for this action. So we will type bat, and we will select bat, click OK, and now we have the baseball bat in his hand. Now let's add a particle system. We will right click in the animation set editor and select Create Animation Set for New Particle System. To find a particle, we need to click Browse. We will be given these choices of particles. Let's select Class FX PCF. We will click Open. And now, in the definition, we will click it and search for something that sounds interesting. Let's use the Eye Power Up Red Level 4. As you can see, the start time is at exactly where the bar is in the timeline, and we don't really want that. So let's actually rather start it at 0, and the duration and the lifetime are for the amount of time you will actually see the particle system. So let's increase the numbers to 30. We will hit OK, and you can see that the particle is invisible. To find it, we will select the bar in the timeline, drag it out of the clip, then bring it back in, and now we can see that it's there. Now let's put this particle in front of one of the scout's eyes. Let's put it in front of his left eye. Alright, now once your particle system is in position, simply turn the visibility back on, and now we will see that it's in the position that we want it. Now let's add lights. We will right click in the animation set editor and select Create Animation Set for New Light. Now we will see a light has spawned and is shining right in the scout. Click, hold light 1 and drag it to the secondary viewport, and now you will see we're looking at the light like it's a camera. So this can be useful with posing the light. Now, for our last slide, we will make it volumetric. Once you get it into position, all you simply have to do is right-click it and select Enable Volumetrics. Once you've done that, you will see that the light is now affecting the air in the direction that it is shining. Let's lower the intensity a little bit. And if you just want to do one other thing to it, which is change color, we will scroll down through this thing, and we will see these three things: color red, color green, and color blue. Let's say you wanted to make this blue. If you wanted to do that, you will select color red and drag it all the way to the right. And now we have it in the color that you want. And now you have a completed spot for your Source Filmmaker poster. Now hit File, then click Save, and then File again, and we will drag the mouse to export and select poster. To give this a name and a place for it to export, we will have to click this bar. Then once you have your name, hit save, and make sure that the format is PNG so it will export as an image, and that way you'll be able to find it. Then hit export and your poster will be exporting. And if you search on the desktop, you will see we have our poster. You did it. Great job.
And until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great day!